Welcome to the RSA demonstration. Today, I'll be giving you a quick tour on how to create forums. Feel free to navigate and explore your options afterward. Let's begin. Once you're logged into your account, I need you to look at the upper left of your screen. You should find the Create Forums tool. Let's click the blue forum button to start creating a forum. As you can see, this is another interface apart from the landing pages and the polls and surveys that we have already tackled. You cannot see the same widgets, nor can you drag and drop anything to available positions. The forum tool has its own skin or customization. It shouldn't take you long to be a master of forum making, especially that you can see the changes you have made real time on the right side. Sometimes it's hard to see it for the first time, but the forum title is actually situated at the top of the screen, just right above the white line. This is the field where you have to compose a short and powerful forum title. A little on the right side would be three familiar buttons: publish, draft, and cancel. Needless to elaborate, their names sure tell you what they do. But before we click publish or draft, of course we need to make the forum. On the left side, just right below the forum title, is where the features lie. Let's start with branding. In this section, you can add a cover image and a logo for your forum. Initially, we give you a default cover image that you can use, and we use your landing page logo as a logo for your forum. But of course, you can provide a custom image for both in this forum as you wish. Moving on to the next part, which is the main settings, is where the primary customizations must be made. Firstly, you have to assign this forum to a specific landing page, should you have multiple ones. And you don't have to worry with the forum URL, as this will automatically get your forum title as the URL. Next, you can choose what forum template you would like. You have 5 choices. Just click the drop-down box to see the available templates. And now, privacy settings refers to how you would like your forum to be discovered by the public. Open, this forum is viewable on the RSA landing page and to anyone with the URL. Private, this forum is only accessible to specific pre-approved email accounts provided in the text area. And the unlisted, the forum is only available to those with the URL. Make sure you set the forum start and finish date. By clicking each box, there's a mini calendar that pops up for an ease setting. You can enable or disable the client weekly report and activity notifications here. You can either show a map here just as long as you can add the central postcode in the box. And lastly, you can either have this forum on featured or not. Most probably you have a hint on what content feature is used for. In here, you can add forum short description, which again is a metadata that describes briefly the content of your forum. This doesn't reflect in the forum itself, but reflects in widgets, forum lists, and page meta descriptions. The forum description is where you communicate why you're engaging, the scope for engagement, and the commitment your organization is making as part of this engagement. Keep it short, sharp, and candid. In the media section, you can upload an image here to display on your forum if you find all texts too bland or if you deem necessary to have a better engagement. If you would like, you can go further with a YouTube video. Just paste the URL in here. In the voting settings, you can choose what type of information you would like your participants to share. Is this forum for questions or for ideas? Once you're decided about which is which, you can then choose the voting type or disable it. You can set the number of winning responses, and lastly, the default ID or question sorting. Well, in here, basically suggests that if you have created a survey that is related to this forum, then you can link it here. Just click the drop down and find the survey title. If you need to supplement some documents like a PDF or Word perhaps for participants to take a good look at, you can freely do so through the Documents feature. Should you need to add links of a related article perhaps or website and whatnot, you can also add them on your forum. Just make sure to copy and paste the correct URL in the field. Now, in this section, this is for you. If you are the responder, you can add your name and title and also add your image. It's another way of assuring your participants that someone is actually listening to what they're saying. If it happens that the responder is the whole team, just create a profile for yourselves with an appropriate logo or picture. The sharing options is only available once you publish your forum. It will give you an HTML code to copy and paste. And lastly, you can switch your preview from computer to a phone. Just click the switch preview right here.